Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got something interesting for you that I think you really need for your Radio Shack. I got this for Christmas, and I put it on my wish list so that I would get it. I got it for Christmas. This is one of those power towers. And this one comes in this box right here. I'll show you the box. There you go. About $32 on Amazon. I'll put it in my Amazon store because I really like it. It has 14 outlets, AC outlets, and it has 4 USB ports, 2 here and 2 on this side. Whoops, other way, this side. And each of the outlets and ports has a switch to switch it on and off. This is something I really needed for my Radio Shack. The 2 USB ports have a total output of 3 amps at 5 volts DC. So that's the total, not each outlet. That's the total. And I can show you this working right now. We use my little tester here, plug it in, and I turn it on. And when you turn it on, you can see that outlet is energized. There's a little light here and a little light here. And camera probably won't focus, but you can see it's putting out just a little over 5 volts, 5.06 volts. And then if you want to leave it plugged in and turn it off, you can do that. The maximum power of the entire station is advertised at 3,000 watts. It seems a little high, but that's what they say in the ad. The power strip itself is made out of durable plastic and PVC. It stands about 14 inches high. Like I say, it has 14 AC outlets. And it rotates, and it has a 6-foot AC cord that retracts inside the base. So you don't have to have all 6 foot out and laying on your desk or workbench. Supposedly it has a smart controller to monitor the load. So if you start exceeding the maximum load capability of the tower, it will shut the whole tower down. The retractable cord is 13 amps. It's number 16 AWG wire inside of it. That's it. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. And have a great day. Bye-bye.